Good morning from the Pop-Up Homestead. So early in the morning, you gotta have options before the generator's on. As my niece Amber and I found yesterday. Good morning, Amber.
Good morning.
We found that you gotta have options in the morning besides things that you plug into electricity. So this is what we do, just to give you an idea. This is a propane heater. Works great. We have that table set up. It's a little dark because we were playing Monopoly last night.
Farmopoly.
Farmopoly. Super fun.
Yep.
So we got that going. And then yesterday, Amber and I made these things that look like we're going to burn down the cabin, but we're not. Let's see. I'll take you over, give you a close-up. These are alcohol stoves. And basically, it's a roll of toilet paper and rubbing alcohol. This is
That's the 91.
91%. It's a little dark in here.
70 or 91.
Yeah, the 50 didn't burn near as good as the 91. And it just gives off heat. It works pretty good. You could use it as a cooktop. Like you could put something over it, not directly because it would need oxygen, but like a couple bricks up and then put a pot over it and it would definitely boil water. And it does give off heat. So it's yet another option of a heat source. Mm-hmm. And then when you can't get the coffee maker going, not for lack of trying, because, see, we're grinding the coffee there. That's our coffee grinder. Not for lack of trying, we have this, let's see. We have this little propane burner. So we're making cups of tea. We're going to make some third eye chakra tea this morning. And then when the generator gets turned on, we're going to fire up the teapot and make a pot of coffee. Make a pot of coffee. So we're going to start with tea right here. And then we're going to make a pot of coffee once the generator's going. And Amber and I decided we are not going to try and start the generator again today.
Nope.
Because, as we know and you guys don't, it is cold and raining. And a little chilly. But what we do have is we have some hot water heating. We have 2 different heat sources going. We have puppy snuggles. Yeah. We have dog warmers. And it's good. So what do you think, Amber, about being off-grid?
Oh, I'm pretty cozy.
Yeah.
I'm pretty cozy.
All right, so this is our follow-up to we have options even though we couldn't get the generator going.
Don't always need a generator.
Don't always need a generator, but that's one of the main reasons you gotta have double redundancy so that you always have a backup plan. Mm-hmm. All right, peace out from the Pop-Up Homestead. Bye. Bye.